Greetings from the Sunshine State.
Today I'm going to do another Fiona flower since I have some colors left from the last two. But this time I'm going to leave out the copper and just use two blue colors. This is indigo blue, blue-black from Atelier, and this is just a custom-made turquoise. I believe it includes the Lumière pearlescent turquoise. And then, of course, the pearl white. And the recipe is in the description box below. So my base color also includes the pouring medium. And the pouring medium consists of 4 parts Floetrol and 1 part Earth Pigments acrylic binder. So I'm using this cute little 8-inch canvas like I did in the last video. And a 6-slot cup. It's a dessert cup that I got off Amazon. And I thought I had it in the middle. Sometimes you can put it in the middle and it still gets lopsided as you're pouring. All right, so indigo blue. And I find I have better control if I pour the slots separately rather than pouring a puddle in the middle. And I don't get the pooling in the middle. So I just changed the battery in the camera. I have no idea how much is recorded so far.
If you are enjoying this video, please like and subscribe below.
And I haven't been misting these serviettes because it seems the paint is thin enough. And it seems the serviettes seem to really sop up the paint quickly. The beauty about working with this 8-inch canvas rather than the 12-inch LP records I was using in the past is that the serviette extends beyond and it's easier to lift. seems that there's contact with the paint right away, so I don't have to do too much tapping. I give this a little spin. Why is this extending now? Oh, now it gets wonky. For some reason this is coming up to the corner. Well, that's weird. Come on, come this way. I like the petal folds in there. I'm just debating whether I should continue spinning so that the whole thing goes over the edge, but then I think I'd lose a lot of these details. I think I'll leave it. So here's a close-up. Very pretty. I didn't put the copper in this time, so just the two shades of blue with the white. And I still got that 3D effect. This is the part where it extended to the corner, as long as it doesn't roll off. I hope it doesn't expand anymore. So it's more like almost a square flower. Well, let me know what you think in the comments section below. That's it for today. Have a good day. And here's a triptych of the 3 flowers. The one I just did is in the middle. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe below.